Did you know garage doors come in different sizes? Whether you're replacing an existing door or remodeling your garage, it's important to understand how to measure as your first step. Let me show you how to do it. First, we're going to measure the door opening itself, which we call the rough opening. Measure both the width and the height to the closest inch. This will give you the close estimation of your door size. Next, we're going to check the side room, or the space on either side of the door opening. Most garage door systems require 3 3/4 inches on either side of the opening. Some systems require 5.5 inches. Either way, it's important you have enough space for the springs to do their job. Now let's check the headroom, or the space from the top of the opening to the ceiling. Most standard systems require 12 inches of headroom, and most openers require an additional 3 inches, so you want to make sure you have at least 15 inches of clearance. Lastly, we're going to check the back room, or the distance between the garage door opening and the back wall of the garage. You'll need back room equal to the door height plus 18 inches. Certain openers might even require additional extra space. If you have trouble with your measurements or aren't the real do-it-yourself type, give us a call. We'll happily send someone over to take measurements and go over options for your new garage door. We'll make sure our service measures up to your expectations.